I've got good news for your Medicare. Hey, it's Christopher Westfall, your resident Medicare expert, talking about the plans for 2020 and beyond. The PlanFinder tool that the government operates to allow you to put in your drugs and then compare side by side all the available drug plans up to this point did not allow you to see the total out-of-pocket cost. So what did you have to compare to? You still have to do a little bit of navigating, but I want to show you that now and how you can compare them side by side and see which may be the best plan for you. Here was Medicare just a week ago talking about the fact that this did not include this option until just now.
You can see the 26 drug plans that are available to him, and today you can search by lowest monthly premiums, or by the lowest drug cost, or by the lowest drug deductible. We're going to search by lowest drug cost. Let me just say at this point that I'm recording this video on September 25th, and we're adding new things to the PlanFinder every day. We're adding a lot of things before open enrollment. One of those is a new search that is the total out-of-pocket cost. So that includes premiums, deductibles, and the actual cost of the drug. That'll help quite a bit. Okay, and now let's jump into the tool. I'll show you what's changed and what you have to pull down in order to take a look at that total out-of-pocket cost so that you can make a side-by-side apples-to-apples comparison for what your Part D drug plan may cost you for next year. Remember, this is very important. Once you sign up for a Part D drug plan, you can expect an upsell phone call. This is very important. So if you sign up for a Part D drug plan with any company that's out there that also has within them a Medicare Advantage plan, that's the whole replacement for Medicare, you will probably get a phone call or a letter saying, yes, you signed up for our Part D drug plan, but did you know you can have a drug plan included for no cost at all with all these extra benefits? What they don't allude to is the fact that you have to give up original Medicare Part A and Part B in your supplement in order to get into a Medicare Advantage plan, thus giving up all of them. So don't fall for the sales pitch. You're probably going to get the phone call once you sign up for a Part D drug plan saying that we have this all-in-one complete plan that you can take. Just say no. Say no, thank you. If you're doing a Medicare supplement and a Part D standalone drug plan, that's all you need. You don't need the zero premium upsell without the details that would come with that. So expect that phone call. It's going to come. And tell your friends and neighbors, please, because when they sign up for a Part D drug plan by itself, they're going to get the sales pitch. They're allowed to do it through a special caveat in the law that lets them call existing business relationships. And if you gave them the business on the Part D, they're going to try to get you into the full thing. Let's look at the tool. So here we are at medicare.gov at the PlanFinder tool. We picked Part D drug plan by itself, and we're not getting help from extra help. Now here's the interesting part. Do you want to see your drug costs? Well, of course you do. It should be by default. Do you want to see your drug costs? Anyway, we start typing in the name of our drug. It'll hopefully fill that in for us, and then we pick add drug. We then select the dosage that we're taking of that drug, how many times we have it during the month. We add another drug. I've just picked random drugs here, so don't hold me to it. This is not really what I take. I just picked another drug that I've heard the name of. You can pick the name brand or the generic, your choice. Again, the quantity, and let me just add one more in here. Pick a random dosage. And if you get them through mail order, of course, you can choose 90 days and a 90-day supply, 90 pills, that kind of thing, or 180 if you take 2 a day. Just add one more drug here that's kind of not found routinely, so we can see a different drug price for these. And then I'll show you the comparison. Now we're all done with our drugs. We're going to pick a pharmacy. It bases this on our proximity to us. Some pharmacies will give you a better deal depending on which drug plan and which ones you select and so forth. Now we have to pull this down on the right hand side of the screen. We have to pick lowest drug cost and premium cost. So now in the middle we've got both of them shown finally for the first time. Now we compare apples to apples on these. This is adding up the monthly premium, the deductible for the drugs that we've taken, and the point of sale cost for the drugs that we've taken. All of those are factored in here in that middle column. We can then add certain plans together and then compare them. At the very bottom of the screen it'll say to compare all the ones that you have checked. We'll check that little bottom box all the way down there, and now we can see these plans. We can see their star ratings there. The mutual one this year is too new, but we can compare the star ratings, but we've lost the ability to see the total out of pocket again. They haven't fixed that yet. So we have to go back to the other screen if we want to compare these things. And the monthly premium means absolutely nothing in my opinion. The monthly premium does not mean anything. It's the total out-of-pocket cost with everything included. You could have a cheap monthly premium, but the total out-of-pocket cost in the thousands. You've got to go back and look at the total
total out-of-pocket cost and make your decision based on that. Don't make it just on the monthly premium, but you have to pull down that box and compare total out-of-pocket cost as I've covered here. Now, we do help our clients on the Medicare supplements with their Part D drug plan. We'll look up the plans, we'll make a recommendation based on what fits their needs the best. We don't do Part D plans by themselves with people that are not our clients, but we do help our current clients. I've shown you how now you can do it yourself. You can go back and play this video again. There are just a couple of key components that you have to look for and make sure that you're looking at total out-of-pocket cost. And again, expect that sales pitch call from the insurance company trying to upsell you. That's what people do in the sales business. We don't try to upsell you here. We give you the straight, and we want to save you the most money on your Medicare experience altogether. I'm Christopher Westfall. I help seniors with their Medicare plans. If I can help you, give you another opinion, or help you save money by shopping if you've not yet done so in the last couple of years on your Medicare supplement, please give me a call at my office. It is a busy time of the year. It's a crazy busy time of the year, and all of our clients, it seems, are calling in at one time. We are doing our best to help everybody and to get back to them in a timely basis, but I'll ask for your patience, as there are about 60 million people in the country trying to reach their agents right now for their Medicare plan. So we are doing our very best and getting back to people. It's a Saturday as I make this video because I know we have to set aside time to help encourage the public and educate everybody out there to do the best job they can on their own, because not everybody can work with the best agents in the country. We want to help you. Call us at our 800 number if we can. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye-bye. Show you for what the plan options are for your Part D drug plan.